This is Teacher Grace and welcome to Graceful Learning Center. Today, our topic is all about school supplies. I have here a bag. This is my bag. Let's take a look what is inside my bag. I have here a book. This is my book. I can read what is inside the book. I have here a notebook. This is my notebook. I can write on my notebook. I have a ruler. This is my ruler. I use for measuring length of an object. I have a tape. This tape is used to join objects together. I have a glue. This is a magic glue. It is used for sticking objects together. I have scissors. These are scissors. And I cut using my scissors. Please be careful. This is so sharp. Now, let's take a look what is inside the second packet. I have here a pencil case. This is my pencil case. Do you want to see what is inside my pencil case? Let's take a look. I have a highlighter. This is my highlighter. I use it to highlight important words. I have a marker. This is my marker. I use it to write on whiteboard. I have a pencil. This is my pencil. I use it to draw and write things. I have a sharpener. This sharpener is used to sharpen a pencil. I have pens. These are my pens. I have red, green, blue, and black pen. And I have here a correction tape. I use it to correct my mistakes during writing. Now, let's take a look at the compartment. I have crayons. I have 12 kinds of colors. And that's all. These are the school supplies. Thank you for watching.